Hold on to your hats, ready?
Pyjama drama, we've got some fun. Pyjama dramas for everyone.
And say hello, everyone. And then you'll know who to look out for. But she's very small. In fact, she can fit on my hand. She has a little shell on her back. And sometimes she hides in there when she's feeling shy.
A snail.
It is a snail. Oh, yes. She normally leaves a silvery trail wherever she goes. Can you see one on the ground? A silvery trail. She's got one. Oh, yes, she's definitely been here. Oh, look. Ruben found a silvery trail.
I have a silvery trail.
Oh, yes, she's wiggled this way.
I found a silvery trail.
Oh, she's wiggled over to you too. Oh, this is very odd. She's been all over the place. Oh, she's gone inside her shell. Oh, will come out. Oh no, she's feeling shy. Can I see you sneak like a spider? That's good.
With a slip and a slide, and a glide from side to side, and a slither and a creep and a claw.
Well done.
With a jiggle and a wiggle and a tiny
ready? Here
little
comes the
tickle,
tickle.
with the creepiest cornies of all.
Well done. Right. Let's make a plan. I'll get the map out.
And I'll get my special bag out.
Spread the map out on the ground then, guys. Now, our house is here, and the witch's house is right over there. Oh, well, hang on. Yes, Talitha, we are going to have to drive our cars. But then, look, when we get to the river, we can't drive our car across a river.
Mine can fly. Mine can fly.
Your cars can fly?
Mine
Oh, dear. Guys, you're not going to like this. Look, the stinky swamp. Oh, how are we going to get past that?
We're going to fly.
Oh, we could. Well, we could fly our cars over the stinky swamp. And then we'll be at the witch's house. I'm going to tiptoe through her garden. Are you? Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Well done. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Nice and slow. Through the tunnel. Oh, dear. Oh, so she must be in the house. Oh, quick, hide. Talitha, you sneak first. Sneak. Oh, has the witch seen us yet?
Yes.
Oh, no. Oh, I'll go and knock on her door.
Me too.
Okay.
Right.
We can do this. We can do this. Come on. We are ready. Ready? Oh, hello. Oh, you come to see me, have you? I'm Mrs. Witch. I'm a bit hungry. Has anyone bought some snails with them? What?
Not Gail.
Do you not eat snails then?
No.
What do you mean you don't eat snails? Well, what about caterpillars? I make a nice soup. You don't eat caterpillars?
We eat normal food.
Oh, that's disappointing. Well, come inside. Libby's not a caterpillar anymore.
A butterfly.
A butterfly? Well, is that what caterpillars turn into? And I've been eating all those caterpillars. Oh, no. I won't eat any more caterpillars. I won't eat you. You're going to be a lovely butterfly. Do you think the butterfly would like to live in my garden. Caterpillars.
Munch, 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 yum, 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 fill my tongue to the top. A big, fat caterpillar sits on the branch of a tree. Around, twist and turn, around and around and around. Twist and turn in silky thread, around and around. Butterfly on the branch of a tree.
A butterfly! Butterflies, you look beautiful! Drama today. What? Who was my little shy friend that wasn't sure if she wanted to say hello? It was Gail. Who did she go to the witch's house with?
Caterpillar.
Oh, was it the caterpillar? It was Penny, you're right. The caterpillar and the snail went off to visit Mrs. Witch.
Drama is for every day.